Hello, my dear students. Today is the revision class of chapter 1 going to school. As part 1 revision class, we discuss about bridges, trolleys, and pulleys. Okay, today we discuss more about this chapter. Previous video, we get an idea about bamboo bridge which is found in Assam. Okay, how children reach to their school by crossing the bridges. We get an ideas about trolley used in Ladakh. Okay, you already seen the map. Okay, Ladakh where is located, and we get an ideas in the trolley pulleys there, pulley functions. We get an ideas the previous video. So in the revision video, part 1, you get an this type of ideas. And cement bridge also we get an ideas, which one is stronger, cement bridge, bamboo bridge. This also we get an ideas. So by revision sessions, you listen very carefully and solve various questions answers. Okay, helpful for your examination. So today class, we discuss about camel carts, bullock carts, and more about bicycle rides. So please listen very carefully, students. So say say students, for years back, people use different ways for transport. So people travel from one place to another and also transport foodstuff by different ways. They mostly use animals such as camel, bullocks, donkeys, horses for their comforts. Okay, so as we know that sheep of the deserts, which animal known as sheep of the deserts? So answer is camel. So camel have been used for transporting goods across deserts for thousands of years. In fact, camels are the only desert animals that can carry heavy loads of goods and travel for a long periods of times without food or water. So desert peoples depend on the camel for their milk, meat, etc. So say students, camel in the deserts, it's very hot. So there is sand all around. Okay, if you visit Rajasthan, you found there is sand all around. It gets very hot in the day. Understood, student? In the daytime, very hot. So childrens ride in a camel cart to reach schools. Okay. So as it is very hot, and camel is the icon of Rajasthan. Camel is an icon of Rajasthan. So for centuries, students, before tractors and buses and cars penetrate the interior countrysides, camels and camel carts were the main mode of transport for both people and goods in the place like desert like Rajasthan. Okay, for the average students, for the average Rajasthani family, the relationship with their camels was rather like that of an earning family member. Okay, students. So say camel is popularly known as the sheep of the deserts. Okay, students. So it has adaptations. What adaptation found in camels? Camel have following adaptation like thick eyelashes, a hump, you see the hump very carefully in the camel, a hump to store water. Okay, students, thick skin to prevent water loss. Camel skin is very thick, okay, to prevent water loss. Understood, students? So camel cart is popularly seen in deserts and places of extreme heat. And camel is adaptation, you get an ideas. Understood, students? So camel, you know very well about what was the adaptive features found in the camel. So now moving to the next, see, in Rajasthan is located in the map where So very carefully observe the pictures in this map. Rajasthan is located, and point out, and see students, the place Rajasthan is the largest Indian states by area. Okay, so see map pointing very properly. Okay students, moving to the next, that is Bullock Cart. Next topic, Bullock Carts. So Bullock Carts, okay, Bullock Carts, which is found in the village. Okay, so Bullock Carts found in the village in the plains. So it's going slowly through the green fields. It is, if at all the children's who is riding the bullock carts, it's, if at all it is too sunny and or raining, so what they do, the children who reach their schools, and in that way, if it is too sunny and raining, what they do, they use umbrella. Okay, so bullock, uh, as camel is popularly known as the sheep of the deserts. Okay, so there now the bullock uh, cart was mostly used in the olden days. Now we can say it found in villages. Its content of two wheels back with two bulls on the front for pulling the carts. Okay students, if you observe bullock carts, you see this it contains two wheels back with two bulls on the front for pulling the carts. So the farmers uh, use it for carrying grains, cereals in higher quantities for shorter distance. Okay students, it is a means of transportations, okay, used since ancient times in many parts of the world. Okay students, so it have how many wheel? Two wheeled, other four wheeled. Okay, so vehicles. So see students, it is used especially for carrying goods. Okay, and say bullocks cart were mostly used for travel during old times, but have now been replaced by more buses, trains, cars. Okay students, so bullock cart are still used today in villages. Okay, where the roads are not suitable for vehicles. Okay student, if you go to your village, you found the bullock carts there. Okay, so bullock carts are an inexpensive means of transport also. Okay students, farmers use bullock carts for transporting grains and cereals for over short distances. Okay, you see the farmers and what they use bullock carts for transporting this type of grains, cereals over the shorter distances. The driver sits in the bullock cart. If you observe, the driver sits on the front of the bullock carts, while the goods are placed in the back. Okay, so these all things you found in the bullock carts. Next topic is about bicycle ride. So riding of the bicycle, students, is healthy, fun, and low impact form of exercises for all ages. Okay students, see bicycle ride in this picture. Here you observe that various children are going to their schools, while in the group they are making a 7 to 8 children's group, and easily ride even through the difficult roads. See students, so as cycling is easy to fit into your daily routine by riding to the nearest shops you can go, and nearest park, okay, schools, or any work places. So see bicycle ride pictures very here is a wheels also you can observe very carefully. So here I need to discuss you about you see in the pictures urban and rural transport system. So there is a great difference between both the systems. So there is different transport vehicles for urban and rural peoples. Understood, students? So see, as you are seen in the pictures. So in the because of less population in the rural areas, students, there is no need of transport. Okay, like buses, motorcycles, but in the urban areas, because of more populations, students, there need better transport vehicles such as cars. So there is a vast difference between urban and rural transport system. If you found the urban transport system are much more organized and public transport is very crowded but convenient. Okay, student. So a lot of options are available for daily commute in urban transport system, whereas in if you found that in rural transport system, where in rural transport system such organization is not seen, and the means of communicate are limited. And if you see another advantage in the rural area, if you found that although there is not such much traffic encounter on road in case of the rural transport. So this is the difference we found out in the urban and rural. So thank you, students. See, revision session is completed of part 2. So we will continue in the next part of this chapter. So revise all the things very properly. So thank you. Have a nice day.